I'm making this basket weave stitch scarf, and I've decided to put a keyhole into it. So I'm going to show you now how to do that. So I want to put the keyhole in the middle. So let's see, I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24 stitches. So I want to take a third of the stitches, so that would be 8. Let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. Yes, the middle 8 stitches. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to start knitting. Actually, I'm going to start purling because I'm on a purl row here. So slip the first stitch and purl. That's 2, 3, and 4. And the last purl stitch, and then put the yarn in the back and knit the next 4 stitches. 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to cast off for the keyhole. So I'm going to knit the first stitch and the second stitch and yarn over, and then the next knit stitch, yarn over. That's 2, 3, 4, and 4 more stitches like that. Now I should have 8 stitches. 2, 4, 6, 8. Actually, I have 9, so that means I need to cast off 1 more. Now I should have 8, and I'm on a purl row for the basket weave, so I'm going to purl 1, 2, 3, and 4. For some reason the stitches are on backwards. And then knit the next 4. 1, 2, and I'm knitting through the back stitch because for some reason the stitches are on backwards. I must have put the work down and picked up the stitches wrong. That's what you do there. So then you turn the work around, and then I'm going to purl 4 because I'm on the purl row here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then knit 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then, and here's the important thing, turn the work around again and cast on 8 stitches to make up for the 8 that you cast off. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to cast on 8 stitches. This is the way I cast on. If you cast on differently, use whatever cast on that you use. 7 and 8. You're going to turn the work around again, and you're going to just pick up where you left off. And this is a purl row, so I'm going to purl 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then knit the last 4 stitches. So now, when you've turned the work around, you'll see you have a hole there, and that's what we call the keyhole. Now you're going to just continue knitting all the way across as normal until you reach the desired length. So since it's a purl row, purl 4, knit 4. Now I'm going to come to the keyhole, ready to purl again. You're going to see a little lag there, but I'm going to just pull it real tight when you purl, so it really won't show. And then knit 4 and continue that all the way across the row and you're done. So that's what it should look like. And give this a try. It's not really that scary, and it'll make for a lovely, lovely keyhole scarf. So please subscribe and like me on Facebook and all that social media stuff, and give this a try, and happy knitting, everyone.